Do you believe in the power of the internet and the concept of working from home? Honestly, anyone can make money online. They just need the right tools, guidance, and system to make it happen. There is money everywhere. Here, you can get all you want, and a little extra for your friends. Sadly, the average person cannot sponsor more than 2 people in a 6-month period. But it's not their fault. So we discovered it's much easier to replicate our long-time success to your favor. Let's admit it. It's harder to teach, train, coach, communicate, motivate, equip, and change someone's ability, rather just systemizing our most successful online modalities. Our program provides you with long-term residual payments, which can continue for life. Forbes magazine stated that 79 million people in the U.S. will start a home-based business in the next 3 years. That's 26.3 million people this year just in the USA. The science of recruiting is our major. The art of making money while helping others profit on the web is our field. We are placing almost 4,000 people under you. We learned very early on that taking people to the top is more fulfilling to us than arriving alone. It doesn't matter that we already own our dream homes, cars, businesses, and lifestyle. The questions are, what do you drive? How much do you owe? How much do you make? What do you need to get? What issues do you want to solve? It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how educated you are. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter how much money you have. Fact is, the only thing that matters is your desire for success and your needs. How would your life be in the next 100 days if money was no longer an issue? The truth is, we've helped thousands of people from all walks, and we're doing it again, but bigger and better. Now, and just for a limited number of people, we are accepting individuals and organizations who need financial freedom relatively fast. You don't need to be a technical wizard or have any technical ability at all. All we ask is that you have internet access, know how to check your email, and watch your income grow. This program is like flipping a success switch that can last your whole lifetime. We put 2 decades of working experience and invested hundreds of thousands of dollars to solve your financial problems and help you prosper in life, as we believe adding value to you will add value to us. Before you join any online business opportunity, take the tour and you will be very surprised. In Ashmax, there's real people who want to give you an honest hand. You must see the tour and get the details inside. You owe this to yourself and your family. Don't walk away before you've investigated everything inside. This is your lifetime opportunity. It's been said that every person has an average of 2 opportunities through their life. If you passed one, this could be your last one. Don't miss out. Take the tour now. In minutes, you'll be glad you did.